advance, yeah. She too young for me. I like your stance, yeah. Might wanna call me now. Give me a chance, yeah.
I'm back with another video, and today's video will be an update on this hair. I had this hair installed for a week now. Yeah, it's just gonna be probably like a quick 2-3 minute video. The cons on this hair and the bad things. It is tangly. Okay. I have not had a shedding problem. I don't think I had a shedding problem because I didn't brush the hair out. I just kind of really left it in the state that it was in. I did not put water on this hair, so I just used white mousse. You could use any kind of your choice. I would recommend you to use mousse. And edge control. People think this is my hair because of the way that it's blended, but no, it's not, because obviously I'm doing a review. But yeah, I like the hair. I would recommend this hair. I would buy this hair again. What hair don't have tangling? Even sometimes human hair have tangling. So yeah. Do whatever you want to this hair. You can style this hair however you want, but I would not recommend you to fight in this hair. But yeah, this is some good hair, y'all. Go buy this hair. It's called Organique Mastermix. Weave. Yeah, I didn't put no grease in it. So each his own. You can do whatever you want to do to your hair. You can put whatever you want to put on your hair. But I just put mousse because I ain't want it to mess up. Don't put grease in it, because if you put grease in it, I'm telling you now, your weave is going to be a little too glossy, too shiny. You do not want synthetic hair with no grease in it, because synthetic hair and grease do not mix. I'm telling you now, they do not mix this. Do not do it. Do not do it. I use mousse on mine, so I would recommend you to use mousse to keep it in the good state that it's in. It moves. I'm not going to lie. That's how long it is. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair reviews and hair updates. I will be doing another hair review soon on a different type of hair. I'm not sure what kind yet, but if you got a kind that you recommend, please drop it in the comments below. I gotta come up with a name for y'all so I can call y'all a name like,